Hi, in this video I will show you how to use MotilityJ. MotilityJ is a Java application that you can download from the project web page, and once that you have downloaded, you have this jar file that you can execute by just double clicking on it. When you start MotilityJ, you have this interface where only this button is enabled. This button, this open a folder button, is a button that allows us to select the folder with the images that we want to analyze. So we just click on it and these pop-up windows appear, and we have to select the folder with our images. Select this folder, and here we have the images. The first time it might take some seconds, especially if there are several images that are open. So when we select in one of these images, we can see here the image, and we can pass through the images with these buttons, or just selecting on this list from the left side of the window. We can also zoom in and zoom out, and now the interesting part is to analyze this image. This is conducted with this button that starts analyzing the images of the experiment. Once that the process is finished, we can see here several things. First, well, in this image we can see on the bottom part the classification. In this case, the bacteria has spread completely to the Petri dish, and also the area of the area covered by the bacteria. If we move to a different image, in this case an incomplete image, we can see the class and also its associative area. And in the image we have the annotation. As you can see, this is correct, and we can move to the other images, as you can see here. And in some images, like this one for instance, we can see that maybe the annotation is not completely correct, so we can edit the annotation. We press this edit button, and this new window appears, and here we have several options. First, we can remove a region. For instance, we can draw this and remove that region, and as you can see, this is more adjusted. But maybe we want to add this region, so we can mark it with the pointer and select a region. If the region detected by the program is completely incorrect, we can delete it and draw it by ourselves, for instance, like this. Okay, and add the ROI, and finally we can save and exit, and the associated area is automatically recomputed. Finally, there are several options. We can change the scale. In this case, the diameter in millimeters of the Petri dish is 90 millimeters, and the diameter in pixels is 950. Okay, we can change that, and we can export all the results to an Excel file that is saved here, and we can also open the file, and here we can see a summary of our analysis. And this finishes this small demonstration of MotilityJ. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us via email or by creating a new pull request in GitHub. Thanks.